Do you want to know how you can create a Wise account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a Wise account for yourself. Go ahead and search for how to open a Wise account, and you can see that this page will open up. Go ahead and click on the first link and then click on login, which is over here if you already have an account, or else you can click register. The next step is to click on any of these. There are some methods from which you can create an account. You can see you can use your email address, your Google account, your Facebook account, and your Apple ID. So you can log into one of these. Let me give you an example by going to Google. After I click Google, I'll go to my Google account and click OK to register. Then I'll click on the personal account which I want to create. You can either create your personal or business account. If you can do that, you can continue with your location and write down your phone number over here and click send verification code. This will enable the two-factor authentication, which will make your account more safer. So go ahead and click send verification code, and a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number, so you better keep your phone alongside with you. After you've written down your 6-digit code, go ahead and continue with your password. Make sure you create a safe password. Check your password for once and then click continue. Then you can see that you have now registered with Wise. Now select your country of residence, your full legal name and your middle name, and then go to your date of birth and mention your date of birth correctly as well. Then go ahead and click continue. The next step is to write down your home address, so go ahead and fill them up and click on confirm and continue. And there you go. This is how you create an account on Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.